Hello, I'm David Pugh, president of Helms College, and it is my privilege to welcome all of you to the Helms community. We are a private, accredited, not-for-profit institution created by Goodwill Industries of Middle Georgia with an emphasis on experiential learning and career education. Named in honor of Reverend Edgar J. Helms, the founder of Goodwill Industries International, Helms College creates opportunities for students to discover their strengths and build upon their knowledge, skills, and attitudes through extensive integrative and experiential learning. From our roots as the Polly Long Denton School of Hospitality, which started in Macon, Georgia in 2006, the college has continued to add programs at our original campus in Macon and at our campus in Augusta, Georgia, which opened in 2012. Today, students are enrolled in a variety of programs in culinary arts, hospitality, health services, and industrial trades. We are honored that you have chosen Helms to further your education and know that you will excel while you are here. You are joining our community at an exciting time in our history as we continue to expand our programs and services, providing education and training for careers that are in demand. Whether you're entering college for the first time, transferring from another institution, or coming back to school after a long break, we are confident you'll find your first day at Helms to be one of your most exciting, as you'll be immersed in our hands-on educational environment. You will be learning from some of the very best in their fields, as most of our instructors have recently or are currently working in the industry. While we know you are here to make fast strides in your career, you'll also find a true community of like-minded individuals who are ready to make a positive impact in their respective fields. Once you complete your program and become alumni, you will join a special group of chefs, healthcare, and industrial professionals who will become your mentors, colleagues, confidants, and lifelong friends. A network that will help drive you to new heights as you move further along in your career. Thank you again for entrusting us with your education. We look forward to seeing you on campus very soon.